Well, hello there. This is Angelus, and welcome back to another video on the laws of wealth. We are now at the fourth one, and we talked in my other videos about first three: earning, spending, and saving. Now we're talking about investing. If you get anything from this video, this short video, whatever you get, if you forget everything but one thing, this is the one, actually two things that you need to remember. One, you want to attract multiple sources of income to an infinite supply source. Okay, number one, very important. The number two thing is that you want to become an investor. I don't care if you have a day job, entrepreneur, solopreneur, you own your own business. You really want to work towards being a professional investor. You want to be able to wake up every morning. Your full-time job is to invest, nothing else, to be creatively and professional investor. If I stop the video right now, that's all you need to remember. Now, some of you go, I need some more information in that. Angelus, I said, okay, it's a little bit validate what I'm saying. I've had, and I'm telling you true stories from friends, family, and clients, including myself, that have had millions of dollars invested in real estate. We've had really great paying jobs. I've owned my own businesses, sold my own businesses. Okay. I've had brick and mortar to online type of businesses. So a little bit of everything. And this has been for the last 30 years. Now, as a professional investor, I was not making lots of money. I was a great businessman. I had no problems. Some companies, some investments like real estate for the family, millions of dollars worth of assets, bringing in money every month. The brick and mortar business, bringing lots of money every month. The other businesses, entertainment business, whatever, online, bringing lots of money every month. So you assume I'm safe, or anybody who's like me is safe. No. In fact, that person or myself, and I'm using my example, we have lost all that and then some. Because without being an investor, you're not covering your financial butt. You can make a lot of money, but it doesn't mean you're safe. Because think of it, the old adage, you don't want to put everything, they talk about stocks and bonds. You got to be, diverse in your portfolio. You don't want all your eggs in one basket. There's a reason for that, because you can lose that one basket. If you are making all your money, no matter if it's 6, 7 figures in one business, and you lose that business, the real estate, my family lost it to an embezzlement. Partner, friend, family, stole it all. Overnight, almost literally, okay? I've had businesses because I had to close down because a pandemic came and destroyed it. As an entrepreneur, my businesses made a lot of money, but then I had to close the business for so many different reasons, or sell it for so many different reasons. In other words, I was not an investor. I was a worker. Doesn't matter if I work for somebody else, for myself, or I own a business. I was a worker. So I wasn't an investor. You want to invest. And what investment means is multiple sources of income, passive income, because investing means it's your money making for yourself. There's only 4 ways to make money: salary, income, profit, and interest. Salary, somebody's paying you for your time. You're trading times for dollars. It's limited, but you're getting paid for it. First law of wealth, earning. And then there's income, entrepreneur, solopreneur. You have your own business. Whatever you're making from that business, that's your income. Profit, that's when you start going into investing, not necessarily being an investor, but you're investing in some, let's say, real estate, and the rent that comes in after you paid off all the bills and maintenance and all that, the rest is profit. So you pocket that. But interest is when the money is actually working for you all the time, whether you're asleep, you're in a coma, awake, on vacation, in your pajamas during a snowstorm. It's always making you money. That's what you want to focus on. I don't care if you work for your business, work for somebody else's business, you own a business. Your job is to become an investor, which is all about multiple sources of income when infinite amounts of supply sources. It's an infinite. I can just name a few. You can go coaching, consulting, you could be a trainer, you can stocks and bonds, metals, precious metals. You can invest in your brick and mortar business, an online business, just to name a very few. But you don't want to stick to one thing. If you have if you have this big, even in a building, you say you own one building, multiple tenants, a tornado comes, takes out the building. There it is. You're gone. You're out of business. Now, if you have multiple buildings in different locations, that's monopoly. That works. You don't have your eggs in one basket. If you lose a property to a fire or natural disaster, who cares? A flood, who cares? If you have investments in multiple other sources and they're bringing you interest, whether you work them or not, you can't be hurt. You become financially bulletproof. The average entrepreneur, or the person who becomes an entrepreneur, a person who's working a day job, person who owns a business, a brick and mortar business, doesn't matter how much they make, they really don't get this. And the last part of being an investor, a professional investor, is you need to find somebody. I don't care what trainer, I don't care what coach, somebody to support you, not for a few days, a few weeks, a few months, but at least a couple of years. Somebody that can tell you what to do, how to be an investor. It's a mindset that you can't do from where you are now. If you work a salary job, you don't have the mindset to be an investor. If you make income on your own, you don't have the mindset to be an investor. If you make profit on your own, you don't have the mindset to be an investor. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, said 99% of the people out there think differently than the 1% who have all the money. They think they can do it all by themselves, and that's why they fail. He calls that the poor man mentality. Don't be poor in your mentality. Einstein even said it. The person who creates the problem cannot resolve that problem unless they look at it from another point of view, another mindset. So you need not only support, not only accountability, but you need somebody to train you to change your mindset. A cannot be a B, B cannot be a C, and so on and so forth. You have to change who you are. If you never made it six figures, you have to study what a six-figure person acts, thinks, is, being. If you never made seven figures, same thing. A millionaire cannot be a billionaire, even though they're making millions of dollars. They cannot be a billionaire unless they change their mindset of how to be a billionaire. And investing is the surest, fastest, easiest way, and in 99.9% of the time, the funnest way than a day job, being your own boss, an entrepreneur or solopreneur, or owning a business, a brick and mortar business. So this is part of the law of investing. If you get up in the morning and you only focus on one job, one service, one product, even if it's multiple, it's under one umbrella, you're in risk financially to lose everything. All it takes is, like I said, rainy day, tornado, earthquake, a pandemic, a death in the family, an illness in the family. And if you have to be the one working to bring in the money, the income, the profit of your business, and you get sick, you're going to go to, the poor line very quickly. So that is the essence of the law of investing. Your first job is to change your mindset, train yourself to think, act, do, breathe, speak like an investor. Once you've done that, that should be your first investment. Your first dollar you ever spent shouldn't be on getting out of that day job. It shouldn't be to add a new product or service to your entrepreneurship or buying a company or even investing. Your first investment is you. That's part of the law of investing. It is the law. Invest in you. The first dollar should go to changing you first. Once you are here and here ready, then the next dollar goes to a financial investment. Well, that's it. I'm going to leave you with that, everybody. If you have any questions, if you're not sure what I said in this video, message me, text me, and I'll be more than happy to give you the details of it. With that, have a great day, and thank you for being with me. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.